Today I'm going to talk about how I got my motorcycle license. Since I've got my motorcycle license, the most asked question is, well, how do you do it? So this is basically what you do, or what I did and I did with my brother. So you take the Harley Davidson motorcycle class. It's not very hard. If you know how to ride a dirt bike, or even know how to drive a manual car, you'll do fine in the class. Even if you don't, you'll still probably do fine. But I had dirt bike knowledge going into it, so that helped me and my brother a lot. This road is so sketchy. Oh my goodness, just freaking rocks. Okay, so here's a rundown of this Harley Davidson class. It's 3 days. It's about 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock. The first day you go in there, and you're supposed to ride the first day, so you have to be prepared to ride the first day. In my experience, on the first day it was actually raining, so we didn't get to ride, so we were inside the whole time, which was pretty boring. But me and my brother, we met some cool people there. Everybody in the class is cool. The teachers are cool. So the first day holy shit, that was a squirrel, I guess. So the first day we basically pothole. We just did book work. You get a big book. You never have to complete it. It's not mandatory. You get a big book. You do some of the pages. You do like 10% of all the pages in the book. So you do that. You're supposed to ride on the first day, but we didn't get to. Then the second day you come back, and it was a beautiful day. The second day, and we rode the whole time. We rode the whole second day. So that was fun, and the lessons you do on the bike, and you get to ride actual Harleys. They're little 500s, really easy to drive. They're actually limited to the speed you can go. They max out at a certain RPM in every gear, so you can't go too fast. But of course the course isn't that big either, so you really can't go that fast. So you do all these different exercises. They're pretty fun. And then you get to the third day. Third day is the last day, evaluation day. But you don't do evaluations to the very end of the day. So at the beginning of the day, we did some more exercises outside on the bikes. Just basic, like turning, stopping, blah blah blah. So yeah, after we finished all the exercises. I don't even know how many total exercises there is, probably like 20. After we finished all those, you start the evaluations. Now the evaluations are 5 different exercises, and it's like stopping at a certain distance, going around a turn, doing a U-turn. I can't even remember the other 2, but they're not hard. The class was 11 people, and I led the class in the evaluations. The teacher came up and said that I was doing really good and asked me if I wanted to lead, and I was like, sure. So I led the evaluations. I did a decent job, I guess. So after everybody has done all the evaluations, you go up into the classroom and you take the writing portion of the evaluation. And it's not hard. It's 25 questions. You could probably go into the first day and do it, like without learning anything. It's pretty self-explanatory. So after that, after taking the written portion, they grade it. You go down into the classroom is actually upstairs in the Harley building. Downstairs is all the motorcycles and stuff, and the shop where they work on them. Upstairs they have classrooms and meeting rooms and stuff. So upstairs is where we did the test. So when they were grading them, they bring you all downstairs and they grade them upstairs, and then they come down and they tell anybody that failed that they failed. And I think only like 2 people in our class failed out of 11. I guess that's a pretty good success rate. So yeah, so I passed, my brother passed. You go back upstairs, you fill out some paperwork, and you do a lot of paperwork on the first day. There's a lot of paperwork. So they give you a certificate and a little insurance card. And I never actually, like a card saying that you passed a motorcycle safety course, and I never actually used that card. I don't know if you ever need to. But anyway, so I got a certificate. I went to the NBA that day with my brother, and I got my motorcycle license. So it's really a 3-day thing. The class costs $375, and I mean, if you pass, there's a deer. If you pass, you go to the NBA and get your motorcycle license, and then obviously you get a piece of paper that says you got a motorcycle license, and then like 5 days later you get your actual license. So it's all pretty cool. It's really not that hard. I think anybody could do it. So I think that's it.